Congratulations!
What? No, you're gonna jinx it.
I'm supremely confident that my law clerk will pass her bar exam.
Her fourth attempt.
Girl, listen. It took me 3 times to pass my bar. You're so much smarter than I am, so don't worry.
Attorney Delgado,
Yes, dear.
you know I love you,
And I love you too.
but I just want to be left alone right now.
You're kicking me out?
Yeah.
All right. However, as soon as you hear something, you let me know. Okay?
Okay.
Keep it.
Yes! 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 Yes!
Come here, Ann, baby. See, I told you you'd make it. All right. Stand up straight. Chest up. Give me your hand. Attorney Ann Santos. I'd like to officially welcome you to my law firm. Congratulations. See this? Here they are. My backlog of cases. Get cracking.
How can I help you, Mr. Reyes?
I heard about Obama's program. That's supposed to be like the Dream Act.
Yeah, it's called Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals, or DACA. You'd like to apply, Mr. Reyes?
Yes, and please, call me Rico. Will it allow me to stay in America?
I assume you're undocumented?
Well, I have a lot of documents, but they're all fake.
Okay, if you meet the qualifications under DACA, you should be eligible. I have to remind you, though, it doesn't give you legal status. It just means immigration won't deport you, and you can get a legal work permit.
Sounds great.
Before anything else, Mr. Reyes, I have to ask you. Have you committed any serious misdemeanors or felonies?
Oh, attorney, I've committed some serious crimes.
What?
Joke lang ulit, attorney! My record. Clean as a whistle.
Okay, how old are you?
30.
Perfect, you're within the cutoff for DACA. How did you get here?
On a plane.
I mean, who brought you to America? Like, how did you get here? You know, detail.
Okay. I first came here when I was 13 years old. My older brother, who was already here, he said he signed a petition for me. I didn't know what that meant. But I found out as soon as I applied for colleges that I was an illegal.
Did you go to high school? Did you graduate college?
Yes.
Have you been physically present in the U.S. since 2007?
Yes, I haven't left since.
Are you currently facing any removal proceedings or deportation procedures?
No.
Are you familiar with the attorney-client privilege? Okay, attorney-client privilege, you could tell me anything that you want and disclose any information to me, and I'm obligated to keep it confidential as your attorney.
You mean like walang laglagan?
Laglagan? Oh, snitching. Yeah, I guess that's the attorney-client privilege in a nutshell. Unless you tell me something crazy, like you're gonna be a terrorist or you're gonna kill someone, then I have to tell authorities. So, is there anything else you want to tell me?
No.
Okay, great. We'll set up another appointment. Next time I need you to bring all your records. Your driver's license, your school records, your fake records. We'll submit this as proof that you qualify for DACA.
Cool.
How does Friday the 17th sound? 2 weeks from now, 10 a.m.?
Oh, sounds good. I'm free on Fridays. Do you have a pen? Sorry. Attorney Ann!
Jesus. Rico, what are you doing here?
Attorney-client privileges, right? No snitching?
Yeah, are you okay?
I need you to hold this. Don't show anyone.
I am so happy to hear you want to adopt again.
Attorney Delgado, I need your help.
Can this wait? No, this can't. Diosa, do you mind excusing me for a minute?
Oh, yeah, no problem.
Thank you. What is it? Hey! Where did this come from?
My new DACA client, Rico.
Ang mahal naman ng siningil mo.
Hindi ito attorney's fees, no? He was just here. He barged in here, he asked me to hold his bag, and then he ran away. What should we do, report him to the police?
No. We're not sure if this is part of a crime that he committed. So you have to maintain your attorney-client privilege for the time being.
What am I supposed to do with this?
Oh, I don't know. Hindi ko alam. Let's hide it in your desk. Okay, call your client right now and make him come back here and give us answers.
Okay. Hi, Rico. This is Ann Santos, your attorney. I've seen what's inside the bag and I'm not pleased. I'll maintain our attorney-client privilege, but please give me a call back. Rico, this is Ann, your attorney. Please give me a call back regarding the bag you left me without any explanation. If this was part of a crime, this may adversely affect your eligibility for deferred action. Rico, if you're in trouble, if you need help, let me know. You don't have to be afraid. Just come back. Hi, Rico. Just making my daily attempt to reach you. So why don't you call me, you piece of sh... Hey!
Come on, the date's done. Let's get a drink. Your client's never gonna call, and I bet we'll never hear from him again.
Help me! My husband Eddie has gone missing!
Okay, Josefina, what's your husband's name?
Eduardo Navarro. Eddie is his nickname. And can you please just call me Josie?
Okay, Josie, when was the last time you saw your husband?
Monday. Bago siya pumasok sa trabaho niya.
Hindi mo siya nakita since then?
He's always home when I get home. And when he has overtime or kung may lakad siya, he always calls me just to let me know. Hinanap ko na siya sa lahat ng pinupuntahan niyang lugar. Pinuntahan ko na lahat ng kanyang mga kaibigan. Nagpunta na ako sa kanyang trabaho. Pero wala. I went to the police department and they said because he is an adult, I have to wait 24 hours to pass before I can file a missing person report. So, I waited for one day and I filed a missing person report and I keep going back to the police department but wala. It's like as if they don't care. Paano kung nakidnap na siya? O baka na-murder na siya?
Wala po ba siyang ibang babae?
Babae? Eh kung meron siyang babae, ako na ang magmamurder sa kanya.
What about any relatives?
He has a younger brother, Bongbong. But I never know where he is anyway. Masamang tao yun. Pinupuntahan lang niya kami ng kuya niya kung may kailangan siya.
So why did you come to me?
Kasi TNT yung asawa ko. Wala na akong alam puntahan. Iniisip ko baka dinampot na siya ng ice. Wala naman ibang tutulong sa akin. Please, tulungan mo ako.
Officer Miller, Immigration and Customs Enforcement.
Hi, Officer Miller. A client of mine has gone missing. I'm checking to see if ICE detained him, maybe in the past 7 days.
Okay, what's your client's name?
Eduardo Navarro goes by the nickname Eddie.
Okay. Yeah, here you go. Eduardo Navarro, street name Puto Sucio. Picked up on a raid in Richmond 5 days ago. He had an outstanding warrant for a drive-by last year against some rival Serenos, age 27. Is this your guy?
No. My guy's 50 and Filipino. Thanks anyway.
Ano ba ang hinahanap niyo, attorney?
I don't know. Something. Anything. A clue?
It looks real, huh?
Josie, I'm just wondering, why did you petition Eddie as your spouse? You're a U.S. citizen.
I tried, attorney, but Eddie won't listen. He's too proud. Ayaw niyang aminin sa kanyang mga kaibigan and sa kanyang employer na nagsinungaling siya sa citizenship niya.
Josie, have you seen this before?
No, never.
It looks like Eddie's birth certificate, but the last name is Reyes. Did you know Eddie entered the country under a false name?
Huh? Oh,
Why didn't you tell me this?
I don't know, attorney. You never asked.
Officer Miller.
Hello, Officer Miller. It's Attorney Ann Santos again. Can you check another name for me? Eduardo Reyes, not Hispanic.
Okay, yes. Eduardo Reyes picked up 7 days ago for speeding. The cops ran his ID and discovered that it was fake, so his car was searched. He was found to be in possession of a felony amount of meth, so yeah, he's getting deported for sure. He's locked up at Yuba County Jail in Yuba City.
Okay, thanks, Officer Miller. Well, I found your husband.
Josie, I'm sorry. Ayoko makita mo ako sa ganitong kalagayan.
Eddie! I-deport ka nila! Hindi ka naman drug addict ka! You've never used drugs in your life! Sabihin mo sa kanila, hindi ka guilty! Sabihin mo!
Pero guilty ako, Josie. Akin yung mga droga. Kailangan pagdusahan ko ang mga kasalanan ko.
Hi. I'm Attorney Ann Santos. Your wife obtained me as your legal counsel. Eddie, from what your wife tells me, I have no reason to believe that the drugs are yours. So how did you obtain it?
I made it.
Really, you made it?
That's right.
And where did you make your meth?
I have an RV. Meron siyang meth lab sa loob.
Eddie, I think you're lying to me.
No, I did it. I make meth. I'm a cook.
Si Bongbong ano? Siya may kagagawa nito, no? Si Bongbong.
Huwag mong tatama yung kapatid ko dito, ha? Akin yung droga. Ako ang guilty. Ako ang drug dealer. Kaya guilty ako, okay?
No!
Guard!
Bongbong? You think he has something to do with this?
Eddie always protects Bongbong, so he must be involved somehow.
Here's your client's belongings.
Thank you.
Where's his cell phone? Dead.
Wait, why does Eddie have my business card? Josie, what's Bongbong's real name?
Rico.
Why didn't you tell me this?
I don't know, attorney. attorney? You never asked.
Filipino nicknames! Eddie, did the drugs come from Bongbong?
Sinabi niya hindi. I told you, I made it!
You're lying to me, Eddie. And you know how I know you're lying to me? Because on that same morning that you got pulled over, Bongbong stormed into my office and dropped off a bag filled with money and 2 pistols. Alam mong sinasabi ko, di ba? Now, I want you to tell me the truth and tell me what happened on that morning, or I swear I will report Bongbong myself.
Wag, attorney, wag. Sasabihin ko na sa inyo ang lahat. Hello? Bongbong. Oh, ano na naman yan? Anong nangyari sa'yo? Are you okay?
I messed up, Kuya. Messed up bad.
Bakit? Anong ginawa mo? Bongbong, magsalita ka. Nagda-drugs ka na naman ba?
I flipped out on him!
Kanino?
Ang drug dealer ko! He sold me some crap! I went to his apartment. One thing led to another. Nabugbog ko siya. And I took this.
Ano? Hindi ka nag-iisip! Alam mo ba makukulong ka sa ginawa mo? Madideport ka pa!
Kuya, I need you!
No, Bongbong. I have my limits. I don't want to conceal your crime. I mean it! You get out of my car! You get out of my car! Get out of my car! Nahuli ako for speeding. Tapos, nalaman ng mga pulis na fake yung lisensya ko, pati na yung pangalan ko. So, they searched my car. Tapos nakita nila yung naiwan ni Bongbong sa kotse ko. So, inaresto nila ako and then transferred me to ICE. Alam kong mali ang ginawa ni Bongbong. Pero, kuya niya ako. Ako ang nagdala sa kanya dito sa Amerika with fake papers. Kaya, ako ang may kasalanan. Ako ang unang nagkasala.
Paano na ako, Eddie? Isasakripisyo mo buhay mo para sa kapatid mo? Paano ako? Eddie, asawa mo, iwan mo ako. Mahal na mahal kita, Eddie. Mahal na mahal kita.
Mahal na mahal din kita. Pero, mahal ko din ang kapatid ko. Ayoko masira ang kinabukasan niya. At gusto ko magkaroon siya ng legal na papeles dito sa Amerika. Pero, meron siyang sinapit tungkol sa Dream Act.
You mean deferred action?
Oo. Yun nga. Sabi niya, kumonsulta daw siya sa isang abogado na malaki daw ang pag-asa niya magkaroon ng legal na papeles. Binigay niya sa akin yung business card ng abogadong yun. Ang business card mo, attorney, kung makakasuhan ba si Bongbong, ano mangyayari sa ina-applyan niya?
He'll be ineligible and eventually prosecuted and deported.
Josie, nakita mo na? Ayokong sirain ang kinabukasan ng kapatid ko dito sa Amerika. Kaya naintindihan mo ng desisyon ko. I'm pleading guilty for Bongbong. At hindi na magbabago ang isip ko.
Attorney, I need my bag back.
Bongbong.
How do you know my nickname?
Oh, because I enjoyed a nice day with your Kuya Eddie and your Ate Josie at the Yuba County Jail.
What?
Your brother's in detention, Rico, facing deportation. They found a bag of meth in his car. Oh, you know what I'm talking about now, huh? The same bag of meth that was once in this bag that you gave me?
I didn't know I dropped the meth in his car. I just needed his help.
Rico, what happened that morning?
I need you!
No, Bongbong. I have my limits. I don't want to conceal your crime. I mean it! You get out of my car! You get out of my car! Get out of my car!
Someone could have picked it up, taken it to the police, reported it. I didn't know what to do.
So you came to me.
Yes, and after I gave you the bag, I laid low in case someone was after me. But now, I need the bag. I need the bag because someone is after me. I need to get out of town now.
Rico, you can't run away from this. Your brother's involved now. He's taking the blame for your crime.
What do I do?
Confess, and your brother's off the hook.
I get deported?
Yes, unfortunately, but it's the right thing. It's the moral thing. Your brother's innocent, Rico.
I guess.
Good, I'll keep you safe. Tonight you can stay with me, but tomorrow we're going to Yuba City to talk this over with your kuya.
No way! Okay, Kuya.
Wait, what?
I tried, but he won't budge.
You didn't try at all. Eddie, you didn't commit any crime.
I don't care. I don't want to ruin Bongbong's future.
Paano ang buhay mo? Paano ang buhay ko? Paano tayong dalawa?
Napag-usapan na natin to.
Kausapin mo yan!
Eddie, I know you think your choice is honorable, but your crime is serious. You'll be barred from entering the U.S. permanently. I cannot condemn an innocent man. This whole plan, you're gaming the system, you're disrespecting the rule of law. I don't think I can take any part in this.
Eddie's deportation hearing is set for tomorrow. He's pleading guilty and he's not going to change his mind.
Wait a minute. I thought Rico was getting deported.
No, that's the younger brother.
Oh, okay. Also known as Bong Bong, right?
Yeah.
Well, what does Bong Bong, I mean Rico, feel about this?
I don't know, guilt? He seems remorseful, but he's not fighting his brother's decision. And since Eddie brought him here illegally, he feels like he has to suffer his fate.
Like righting a wrong.
Exactly. But do two wrongs make a right?
Well, how do you feel about this?
I want Rico to confess, show some balls. He's been letting his brother take care of his problems his whole life. What do you think?
Let's look at this. So, Rico's been here since he was 13 years old, right?
Yeah.
So he considers America as his home.
Yeah.
Further, he's actually eligible to stay without being deported thanks to DACA, correct? So, if you took this all away from Rico, that would be really devastating.
True.
Actually, you know what? I think the plot would work. See, Eddie confesses, so he gets deported. Rico's victim, the drug dealer, will never report the crime.
Yeah.
So technically, in the eyes of the law, Rico is spotless. So he's still going to be eligible to stay through DACA. Ultimately, you know what? This is a family matter. As a lawyer, you need to respect their wishes.
So, two wrongs do make a right? I don't know. It still doesn't feel right, though.
Believe me, you'll learn that the law is never clean-cut, especially in the immigration system. It's broken.
Sorry, attorney. Lagi ko nakakalimutan ng impormasyon na kailangan niyo. I'm bad with details. I just daydream a lot. Attorney, bait si Eddie. Mabuti siyang asawa. Lagi niya kami inaasikaso. Lahat siya nag-aasikaso. Siya nagbabayad ng rent, ng tubig, ilaw, computer, TV. Lahat siya nag-aasikaso. At saka sa bahay, alam mo kung sino nag-aasikaso? Siya din. Siya nagluluto, naglalaba, naglilinis, plancha, lahat. Siya pa nga nagdadrive. At saka parati niya inaalaga si Bongbong. Mahal na mahal niya si Bongbong. Inaasikaso niya parati ang kanyang kapatid. At parati niya ako inaasikaso. I don't know what to do. Attorney, if I don't have Eddie, I don't know what to do.
Please be seated. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are here in the matter of Eduardo Reyes. Sir, you are removable based upon your criminal court conviction for possession of a controlled substance, as well as having entered the United States under a false name. Counsel, how do you plead to the allegations?
Your Honor, my client admits to the allegations in the notice to appear. He concedes removability.
I'm ready to be deported. And I want this hearing to stop now.
Your Honor, he is innocent.
Bongbong, anong ginagawa mo?
Counsel, who is this gentleman?
Your Honor, this person is out of order. May I request that he be removed from the courtroom?
No, Your Honor, this is the defendant's younger brother, Rico.
Your Honor, the drugs found in my brother's car were not his, they were mine. I am guilty of this crime.
No!
I'm the one who should be deported, not him.
Anong ginagawa mo? Tigilan mo yan. Huwag mo sayangin ang kinabukasan mo. Bongbong, no!
Hindi, kuya. I'm helping you keep yours here. Ako ang may sala. Ako ang mananagot.
Tama na. Tumigil ka na. Ako ang kuya mo. And I'm supposed to protect you.
Kuya, I am not going to allow you to abandon your wife, your life here for my mistakes. It's time for me to grow up. It's time for me to be a man and face my fate. Your Honor, on the morning my brother was arrested, I called him to pick me up. I showed him that I had a bag of meth and that I needed help getting away from a drug dealer. But he did not help me. Instead, he kicked me out of the car, rightly so. He did not want any part in my crime. I must have dropped the drugs in his car before I got kicked out. That's what the cops found. Your Honor, my brother is just trying to protect me because I'm his baby brother. And he wants me to stay in America. But I'm telling you, he is completely innocent. I am the guilty one. I need to be deported. I've been here in America for 17 years, unlawfully. Deport me, please. Let my brother go.
What's your name, son?
Rico Reyes, Your Honor.
Do you swear that everything you've said here this morning is the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
In light of the evidence that we've heard here this morning, Mr. Reyes, I'm going to order your immediate release.
Praise God!
But bear in mind, sir, that you will still be subject of removal proceedings unless your wife's second visa petition is approved. And as to you, son, I appreciate your candor to the court. And Unfortunately, I'm going to order that you be taken into custody and you will be placed into deportation proceedings. Good luck to you, sir. Bailiff, can you remove the gentleman from the courtroom?
No! No! It's okay, Kuya. It's okay. It's okay. Ah, please.
I'm sorry, Bongo.
Don't be sorry, Kuya. Kasalanan ko. We still have a lot of family back home. And I haven't seen Nanay since I was 13 years old. Thank you. I love you, Kuya.
I love you.
Ate Josie, I'm sorry that I've been such a bad troublemaker all these years. But you took care of me and thank you. I love you too.
I love you too, Bongbong.
Attorney Ann, thank you for putting up with everything that I put you through. Thank you for sticking with the family through all of this.
Hey, it was fun.
What about my brother Eddie's case? Will he get deported?
I've already filed a waiver application for Eddie, so I'm hoping we'll get prosecutorial discretion.
Promise me you'll do your best, attorney.
I promise.
Keep the bag. It's your fee.
Come on, it's time.
I'm going home, Kuya. I'm going home.
Hey, you're back.
Yeah,
How was your first deportation?
it was sad.
Well, I've never seen a happy one. Actually, I have seen a happy one. Boy, this family just hated their dad.
Really? That's awesome.
Yeah, you'll see a lot of crazy stuff in our field.
Crazier than the case that I just wrapped up.
One can hope. You did well, attorney. 2 options, 2 bad outcomes. But I think the right choice was made. You know, I have too many cases on my desk. Can you help me out?
Sure.
One's easy, one's fun.
Let's go with fun.
Great. Here you go. I'm taking off. Good night, attorney. Don't forget to turn the light off on your way out.
Bye. Lady boy. I deserve